you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, in today's video, we are going to be decorating our master bedroom, and I'm going to be sharing a few tips and tricks with you guys on how to recreate a hotel feel and vibe in your own home. Now, one of the things I loved about traveling when I traveled with my job was the beds at the hotels. I absolutely love luxury hotels and very soft, comfortable bedding. And so in today's video, I'm going to be giving you tips and tricks on how to create that in your oasis in your own home. So let's get started. So for starters, the sheets. We padded the bed and we also got some super comfortable sheets. These sheets came from Amazon, but you guys, when I tell you guys they are the bomb.com, they are the bomb.com. Next, I like to include our everyday pillows on the bed, but I like for the actual inside of the pillows to go towards the inside of the bed because it doesn't like show the open end on the outside. Next, I like to add my Euro pillows to give a little depth to the bed. I'm going to add 3 of them. For queen size beds, you can use 2. For king size beds, I like to use 3. Next, I'm adding in my accent pillows or throw pillows, your decorative pillows. And if you guys been following me for a while, y'all know I've been chopping before chopping was chopping, okay? So I'm gonna add those in.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking of.
One of the things I failed to point out was that this artwork was the entire focal point for this room. So I wanted the colors to be very neutral. I wanted the pop of gold to match the light fixture. And I love the texture. So much texture on this piece. And so I wanted to carry it over into these pillowcases, and all of these you can find on Amazon. I'll be sure to link all of it in my video in the description box. Just click on the more, the 3 ellipsis dots next to my name and the more, and you'll see the description box drop down. And by me putting all of the pillows on my bed, now it lets me know how far I can come up with the actual bedding.
To the start, I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me so, cause you're in my head. You are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my, I don't wanna let you go. my.
Okay, you guys, now the bed is made. We're going to go ahead and start styling the other parts of the room. I got this tray from HomeGoods, and I purchased the coasters from Amazon, and the magazine is just a magazine that I got in the mail from the Z Gallery. I'm also going to start styling the bedside tables, and the books that I'm using are from At Home with Nikki. They are very resourceful, but they're also beautiful books as well. And the lamp that I'm using on top, I also got it at Amazon. I love it because the shade is black, but the interior of the shade is gold, which just gives a very warm and cozy amber feeling glow in the room. And the nightstands, I get a lot of questions about the nightstands, you guys. These came from a local furniture boutique, and unfortunately they are no longer available. I purchased them about maybe 10 years ago. So with that being said, I'm going to add a little bit of fall in with my velvet pumpkin. I also got it from HomeGoods. Absolutely love it. And it's just a perfect touch of fall. What I didn't want to do this year was like add in a lot of decor that I wouldn't be using again. So you guys will see me just adding small touches of fall around the home, especially like in the bedroom. I just added that pumpkin and it was perfect for what we needed it for. So I'm going to mimic what I did on my side of the bed, on my husband's side of the bed, and I'm adding in this lamp. Now these lamps are already pretty tall, but this headboard is very tall as well, and it needs to be lifted a little bit more. So by the time we finish lifting the headboard, it will be as tall as the lamp. So I absolutely love these. Again, I got them from Amazon. They were very budget friendly. I'm going to link the live in which I covered everything that I purchased from Amazon in that live. I'm going to link that down in the description box. So don't forget to check that out. I also got some black playing cards from my husband's side of the bed, and a lighter, really fancy lighter that Very Carey gave me several years ago. One of my favorite pieces. It is so elegant, yet refined, yet masculine, and I love it. And then I just added the velvet pumpkin there. I just thought it was the perfect touch of whimsy. And I have another piece that will go there outside of the fall holiday. Now, with that being said, we are almost done in this space. I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to add artwork above the headboard. Remember that the headboard will be a little bit taller than it is right now. So I'm not sure if I want to add artwork to the headboard or not.
Oh, we got a new bed.
Here.
This is new. This one got to be gone, see?
No, don't move that, baby.
No, we need this one right here. This ball lane, see?
That, now look at that.
Look at that.
It don't go.
No, this one don't go.
That.
Put this one right here.
Okay. Do y'all agree with Robert? Which one go? This
We
one?
don't need this one. This one right here don't work.
Or that one?
This one right here.
Babe.
Yeah.
Now how you gonna come in at the end?
Well, see, you said it didn't work because you got these freaky ones right here.
They are not freaky.
You got too much stuff going on right here. See, we don't need
They match the picture. Look at that. Look at how they match the picture.
They do match the picture, but the picture's not on the bed. So we see, I'm looking at this like if you trying to decorate, not decorate, but you trying to style an outfit.
Right.
So I want to match let's say if I'm wearing a suit.
Okay.
Let's say if I want to match my suit with my socks.
Mm-hmm.
And I want my pop of color to be with my pocket square.
Okay.
You see the distance from your socks and your pocket square. See, that's what you're doing right there. But today, we want to match it from your tie and your shirt. That's close. So we get them out of here.
Robert!
We don't need them. Alright? We just need this one right here. And where the brother at?
The brother right here.
See, you done already gave up on them. They twins. Oh, yeah, here we go. We got two of them. Get them out of here. We don't need you either. All we need is him right there. He need to come right over here in the middle, like this right there. And then him right there. Uh-oh. Him right there. That's fire right there.
That's whack.
Dang sure is, right? Don't let you do. I'm out of here.
Okay, you guys, so back to work now that our special guest has left the room. So this is what the room looks like currently. I still feel like a little something is missing. I'm not quite sure what it is, but this is kind of the overhead view with the velvet pumpkin. I hope you guys can see that with the crown. It is so cute. And on my side, I just kind of kept it more simple. But I do still feel like I want to add maybe something ahead above the headboard. I'm good with what's on the bed. I want to keep things pretty simple. So we'll just kind of work it out and see how we want to do that. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied. I just feel like a little something is missing. I feel like the room needs a little bit more life. So I will be definitely updating you guys, and you let me know what you think. Let me know what you think down in the comments. In terms of what else needs to be added. I don't want too much decor. I don't want too much decor, y'all. I want to keep it simple, but I do want it to feel collected. I want it to feel alive. I don't want it to feel sterile. And I'm getting a little sterile. I need a little more life. But other than that, I'm really loving my, elegant, muted life. That's just kind of where I am right now, I'm in a place where I'm defining my style and I just love it. So here we go.